I'm in my garage and making some frames today. I had 440 frames to make. So I made this jig. I talked about it the other day, but I'm kind of going to explain it because I'm on the last of the frames to make. So what we did is, see this piece of wood, I cut smaller. It's like half inch smaller than the outside boards. These are 5 inches. So what I did is I cut this half inch smaller and I nailed 2 pieces of strips on each side. So I nailed those strips right there, and it's smaller than outside board. For just to do, I can do mediums and the brood body frames. So I put the strips of wood for the frames over there. Try to do this with one hand. Sorry. And record it with the other. So let's see if I. So you get the idea. Let me pause. I gotta do the other side. Now you get to see I got both sides done. You can see the strip of wood on this side just like the other side. Now I'm gonna do glue. I glue I put a big blob of glue in there. I don't spread it out, I just put a big blob of glue. I mean, you can do it any way you want it. Okay, there's the glue in there. And then after I put the glue in, take the top boards, and like I said, it's hard to do this and record it at the same time. Hold on. Okay, you got this side in. Go to the other side, push it down. Okay, let me do one more. See if I can do it with one hand. Push it down. Come back to the other side. Push it down. Alright, let me put those in. I'm going to pause. Now you can see I got them all in, glued in, but not nailed. So what I do, I have this staple gun, 1.5" staples. And what I'll do is, let me see if I can do this. Jesus. I put 2 staples on the top. These 1.5" staples with the glue, they're never coming out of there. I try to push them right up, and I mean, I can put my body weight right into it, and then they don't pop up. So with the glue is even extra security. So pretty much what I do, let me see, is I hold the staple square like that. Let me nail that so I can show how I do the other side. Now all the staples in, both sides. What I did is I took the sideboards out, the ones that go here, I take them out because this is just a short distance, and when you put the top pieces, the bottom pieces across for the frames, they kind of just too snug. They don't come out that easy. This way, it's easier to take them out. Again, I'm going to glue the top and put the pieces of wood in, and I'll show you another step after. I just glue, just like I did the tops, I did the bottoms too. I just put a little big blob of glue on it. Now I'm going to make sure the groove goes down, and put one side in. Put the other side in. Alright, let me fill them up. Alright, I got them all in. There's a little trick I have. I use a 1-inch chisel. Sometimes, like here, it's a little space right there. So I take the chisel and I press down, squeeze a little bit, and they go flash. So same thing over here. Where's another one? It's hard to aim. Okay, I do in the ones short, like this one right there. And then they'll squeeze tight. Let me do that, and then the next step will be nailing. I just slide them out of the box. They'll slide right off, and you end up with 10 at a time, so you know you got a box of frames done right off the bat. There you go. So this one end up splitting right across the bottom. Alright, I'm going to show you how I do. I take glue. Wood glue. Take glue and I fill up the gap. Well, okay, and then kind of rub it in a little bit. Alright, I got 1.5-inch staples and 1.25-inch staples. You guys can see the difference. You buy these at Home Depot. I got the 18 gauge Galvis, and it's 7/30 seconds. It's the gap in between, an 1.5-inch length. So it's crown staples. I do crown, I'm a carpenter by trade, so it's easy to get a hold of this stuff for me. And then you got these guys. Got this at Harbor Freight. I mean, they have it at $49 at Home Depot. I think it's Porter Cable. But this one was like, I think it was $29 at Harbor Freight. So I got the staple. These are the shorter ones, the 1.25-inch ones. There's a little groove right there. Push it all the way forward. Lock them up. And like I said, it's hard to do that. You lock them up. You put the frame sideways. And you nail it. Squeezes the glue out. Squeezes the glue out, and that should, after it's glued, there should be no problem. It'll hold up just fine. Here's a staple right there. 2 staples. That's the 1.25 inch. Alright? That's how I fix them when I split them like that. So, here's a whole bunch of them. I don't know if you can see it, but I got all these boxes done already. That's 2 rolls, and I got the brew bodies over there. That's 2 rolls of it too. So now I use plastic foundations. You know, a lot of people use wax foundations. A lot of people just use lines with a little strip coming over the bottom and a little groove on the frame. I just get the plastic foundations. It's easy to take care of it. They're durable. To extract, it's great. They don't come apart. You know. So on this corner is a little, looks like this. Has little holes. I snap those corners off. These foundations have wax on it. You can see some of the wax right there. They have bees wax on it, so makes it easier. Makes it easier for the bees to start building comb on it. So what I do, I don't know, it's hard to do this with one hand, but I take the foundation. I'm going to do this. Hold on. You take the foundation and you stick them in the top. What I usually do is press down the middle, but with two hands, and he snaps in the bottom. Well, I'm going to do that, then I'll show you the finished job. And that's how I do the foundations. Is snaps in the bottom, snaps in the top, and it's ready to put it to work. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate all the, if you guys have any comments, I'll be welcome. I'll be more than welcome to get back to you guys. Check sunnybees.com for more information. Alright? Thanks guys.